Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. Today we got the opportunity to drive this lovely Polo GTI. Really cool to see the color King's Red with the lovely matte black OZ Formula HLT wheels in 18-inch. How cool can it be? The front of the car has the LED matrix headlights, so with the enlightened grille, and of course the IQ Light logo on the side of the headlight. It's a fully spec'd car, so with the panoramic sunroof, tinted windows, the LED matrix headlights, rear camera, multimedia plus with the Beats audio, which sounds great. The only thing the car doesn't have is the leather and Alcantara interior, but that's not a hassle on the GTI. As mentioned, the LED LED matrix IQ Light headlights with the adaptive forward lighting, and of course the little LED side lights in the bumper and the grille, which also enlighten. And what we see from the normal Polo, little restyled front bumper with some more air ducts, etc., and an intercooler between it, because yeah, the engine is a little bit bigger than the little 1.0 TSI, which is normally in the Polo. And of course in the grille, the gloss black grille with the GTI logo and the real LED line in the grille, which also goes on to the headlights of the car. Also standard on the GTI are these little badges. The owner tells me that she still, and yes, it's a she still wants to change them for the black ones instead of the chrome, because there's not enough chrome on the car, so let's make it black. So that's why she opted for the matte black OZ wheels. And as said, this car has the panoramic sunroof and a little overview of the car. King's Red really looks cool in the sun. Really stands out between the normal red color on the Polo. And what we see on the rear, also the IQ lights with the swiping indicators. Really cool to see on this car the little GTI badge on the license plate, and of course on every GTI the double exhaust tip. On the Polo it's only on the left, on the GTI it's left and right. And as mentioned, the swiping indicators. So guys, let's drive for a little minute and let you know how it feels. So not that different from a Golf GTI. It's the same 2 liter, so it's a bit more, yeah, let's call it fun to say, on this little twisty road. It's sort of forest road thingy in Holland, and yeah, it sounds really cool too. So, and it's a sort of quick. So when you put the car in comfort, it's just a normal Polo with some big wheels, so it's not that bouncy. It's really comfortable and really easy to drive. But when you give it the horses, it will go like a sort of rocket. Well guys, what do you think of this Polo GTI, the new version, and especially with this lovely OZ wheels? Please let me know. So please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.